Did you know up to half of your electricity bill may be paying for wasted energy? One big contributor to this is often air leaks. The biggest air leaks are typically found in attics and basements, around holes in your ceilings and floors where pipes, wires, and recessed lights were installed. Air leakage is also found around doors, windows, and electrical outlets. In most homes, these air leaks add up to a huge loss of air you've paid to heat or cool, and to uncomfortable drafts in the wintertime. So how can you reduce air leakage? First, seal air leaks, and next, improve your home's insulation. It's best to do both before you replace any heating and cooling equipment. A better sealed and insulated home may not require as large a unit as before, saving you more money. Consider hiring a trained professional such as those recommended by the Home Performance with Energy Star program. They will conduct an energy audit to identify air loss and insulation gaps in your home, complete with a report recommending fixes to make an order of priority. These energy experts can also make the upgrades they've recommended. If you want to do some investigating on your own, look around your home for clues as to where air may be leaking in and out. Big places to look are in unfinished spaces of your attic or basement, where joists meet, around attic doors or hatches, around pipes and other ceiling or floor penetrations, and around recessed lights. Oh, and another big place is your fireplace flue. Uncomfortable drafts and even dirt stains on your carpet along a wall can be signs of air leaks. Inspect the insulation in your attic. Do you see dark or blackened areas? This is a telltale sign of air leaks. Insulation can't stop airflow any more than a blanket would outside on a windy day. Insulation often hides air leaks, so you may need to pull it back to reveal cracks and gaps between holes made in the attic floor for lights, pipes, and more. 2 more quick tricks to find air leaks. Close and lock your doors and windows on a sheet of paper. If you can pull the paper out without it tearing, then air is getting out. Try this trick on your refrigerator door too, to see if the seal needs to be replaced. Or you can also try running a flashlight around doors and windows with a friend or family member to help. If you see light shining through cracks, then air is getting through too. Conduct a smoke test. On a windy day, light an incense stick inside and hold it near doors, windows, attic hatches, electric sockets, and other areas. Watch the smoke. If it travels horizontally, air is leaking out. Whether you take the DIY route or hire a professional, be sure to seal air leaks in your attic before you add insulation there, because insulating materials don't block leaks. After getting rid of air leaks, the best step you can take is bulking up your home's insulation. Adding insulation, especially to your attic, can be a relatively easy process and is one of the most cost-effective ways you can make your home more comfortable all year long. Thanks for watching. Keep checking back here at our website for new tips and information.